Hello Sweathearts, welcome to the tutorial for Bubble Pop by HyunA. This is our first K-pop song and I'm super excited about it. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the left hand on the hip and the right arm up in the air. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, together, 7, 8. And it counts really fast, but we're just going to take it up, up, middle, middle, low, low, and to the side. And we're going to bring in that left foot and pop the knee here. Then we're going to go with the shoulder back, the chest up. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the hand is going to slowly lower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To go to the opposite side. This time left hand goes up. Up, 2, side 3, 4, down 5, 6, together 7, 8. Pop the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see it facing the front. It starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can have a lot of fun on that with the hips too. You can go with the head. As much as you can do there to make it fun and cute. Ta, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so after that intro, we're going to start with the first verse. Nice and easy, we go right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Just tapping the feet. You start with the right. Right, left, right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the arms are opposition. We're going to use the outside of the wrist, and we're going to pop the body, and it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the first verse, we're going to keep it facing the front. The second verse, we're going to take it to the front, to the side, to the back, and to the side. Let's see verse 1 facing the front. Right foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second verse, which we'll get to later, we go around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To face the front. Great, we just did those shoot arms here. 8 times facing the front. We're going to take it to the right. We go hand, hip, hand, hip. And the hips go for 4, and arms go up, down, down. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's super quick. So we come out of these 1, 2, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeats again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see verse 1 and that extra facing the front. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. To the right we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, now we're going to see that move again, that little hit, side, and you add a little bit of extra element by adding the face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, now it's time for the chorus, bubble pop. We start by going to the right, just the feet first, goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, together, 5, 6, 7. Walking forward, right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Walking back, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We jump in, 5, out, 6. Arms come up, and we go hit, hit. We'll show the arms in a second. So just the feet. Grapevine, grapevine, walking up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hip, hip. Now the arms. It goes, ooh boy, hi boy, my boy. Arms go 1, 2, 3, 4. We pull into the heart. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the left. Arms out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull into the heart. 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk up. We fix the hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just like that first verse, bubble pop goes 1, 2, 3, 4. We jump in, out, and on the out, arms come up, in, out, hit, hit. And just grab a wrist, either one, and just pull to the side of the hip and the hip. Let's see that face in the front. Legs first, and then we'll add the arms. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walking up. 1, 2. Walk it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit, hit. Now with the arms. Ooh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Off and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, second time through, we start right again from the beginning with those swish hands. Up, up, down, down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing to the left, and we go right into those arms, but we go 1, 2. This time, second verse, side, to the back, to the side. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times through that, again, going around, and then right back into the chorus side. Great, we have one more section. This is the breakdown, and this is going to be really fun in a big group, so we'll do it all together next time we see each other. We have 8 counts to come closer together. We don't have to be super tight, but just closer in. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to get ready. Hands are on our thighs here. We're going to go around nice and slow, starting to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the count is on the 7, the shoulder. We reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 3 more of those, but we're going to go faster. 3 more at 3 times each. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 anchor out to get back to your original position in class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now at this moment the chorus comes through one more time, but instead of doing the side arms to the heart, both left and right, we're going to instead grab a pose, and it's going to be a pose that moves for 8 counts. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they're nice and slow, and take all the time, whatever you're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's up to you. Then on the third one, where we normally go up to the front, we're going to go up to the front. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same as always. 1, 2, 3, 4, in, out, bubble, hop. Then 7, walking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Prepare to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left and left, right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Triples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slow. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Walking back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the poses. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the front we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Repeat chorus normal. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the heart, to the left. To the heart and front, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. Bubble, 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 pop, bubble, bubble, pop, pop, finish. Up, up, side to side, down, down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. Up, up, side, side, down, down, pose. That's all the choreography to bubble pop. Let's dance it.